Hi, this is Rob from Rob's Little Long Range, and today I've got a really cool gun. It's a Cobray Model R 22 long rifle revolver. So this gun has a cylinder that when you take it out of the gun, the cylinder is also the barrel. This is basically just a sleeve that the cylinder sits in, and then there's a little pin down there that indexes the cylinder to keep one at top dead center. So I haven't taken this gun out and shot it yet. I just picked it up, but I'm really excited to go out and shoot it at the range today, even though it's like 1 degree out. But we'll see how it goes. I'm looking forward to doing the video, and I'm just blown away at how unique this gun is. You know, it's really, shall we say, economically put together, but has a through bolt, cross bolt safety, and it's just a really interesting gun. So there's not too much information on these things out there. I can't imagine they made too many of them. This one's number 694. I saw serial numbers as high as like in the 1700s when I went and tried to research them a little bit. So anyway, if anybody knows much about this, I would love to find out more about it, but information is sparse. So anyway, I look forward to taking it out at the range today and seeing what it does. Thanks for checking it out.